Hello, little learners and explorers. Welcome back to our another video. Today we are going to see some yummy pretend vegetables and the colors, the shapes, everything. Orange, broccoli, green broccoli, red pepper, spicy, onion, purple onion, carrot, little orange, apple, lettuce, green lettuce, this is egg, this is an egg, peel it, brown outside, white inside, and when you open, the yolk is yellow. Egg. Let's go ahead and cut all these vegetables. Cutting apple, carrot, onion, lettuce, red pepper, orange, broccoli, peel the egg, crack open. This is hard-boiled egg. The yellow part inside is yolk.